guys, welcome back to this Friday's face mask. I didn't do one last week, but I think I've already said that. I posted something on my YouTube channel just to say that I just wasn't in the right place to do one last week, sort of following going to the hospital, being pulled around a little bit, and I just really wasn't up to it, so I am going to do one today. You may notice something a little bit different. My arm I have taken out of this for a little bit. The consultant has said take it out for a bit, allow it to sort of fall down, which isn't very comfortable, but I'm kind of getting used to it a little bit because my hand and elbow start to seize up, so I have to kind of try and I can now lift. I'm not saying it's pain-free because it isn't, but I can do that, which is something I couldn't do before. So I need to get on and work these muscles and everything a little bit. I'm going to put my arm back in here just for the video, then afterwards I'll take it back out again for like 5 minutes. If you have just come across my channel for the first time, I've got a broken humerus, which is why I'm in this contraption, and it's been now 2 months, I think, 8 weeks. This is going to be on for another 8 weeks, and yeah, then we can take it from there. Anyway, let's get back onto this video, shall we? This is going to be a peel-off mask. You've probably guessed by now, I actually really do like a peel-off mask. I feel they just literally peel off all the dead skin cells and everything. I kind of really like them. This is a cucumber peel-off mask. I haven't used this one ever before, and it's 7th Heaven, and I got this in B&M. There you go, that's what it looks like. I think it was under £1. I think it was about 89p, something along those lines. So what does it say? Clean and dry your face. Empty the entire sachet and apply a thick layer onto your skin. Leave mask to work until it's dry or it won't work, and peel off. It says, gently peel away dirt and grime with our extraordinary fusion of pulped cucumber and juiced citrus fruits to reveal skin that looks and feels super smooth, soft and squeaky clean. Play it cool and use weekly to keep pores clear of impurities. There we go. That's what it looks like on the back. So it's very informative. So you got it in like picture stages as well. So right, I've already cleaned my face. Let's get this off. I'm not getting good use in my teeth, you know. It'll be a dental problem next. Anyway, I hope the lighting's alright. It's ever so sunny and bright outside. It's cold, it's autumnal, but it's bright. So I had to close the blinds. But this is what I struggle with, is trying to squeeze it out. But I'm gonna try. So let's just keep going. I'll roll it out from the bottom to do it, I think. I've got a little mirror here that I'm going to use. Here we go, it's coming out now. So it's green, as you probably would think it would be, although it's going on just like very clear with a little tiny green hue to it, I suppose. I'll just tip some down my jumper. God, I'm not really good with this. It doesn't smell of a lot. It smells like a bit alcohol-y, like, you know, like the alcohol wipes or the alcohol hand gel. It smells a bit like that, which is a bit bizarre. But that is what it smells like. It's going on alright. Can't really, well, you can see where you put it, but not obviously. Although you can certainly feel it. But I'm going to put it all on like they've said, and I'm going to leave it to dry completely, so I won't know quite how long. I mean, normally I'll wait 15 to 20 minutes, but this one has said to apply it thick. That's what I'm going to do. Guys, look at my hair. Oh gosh, don't know what to do about it really. I just can't colour it at the moment, so it's like all my roots are growing back. So I've got some that are darker, some that are really grey. All I can say is thank goodness I went a little bit light. Well, I went quite a lot lighter before I did this, but at least it blends in a bit more. But I can't colour it myself. I can't go to the hairdressers and get it done because I cannot sit in, you know, the hairdressing chairs. They've got like the arm, and so I can't get this on. It's not allowed to rest on anything, it has to hang down. Also, I can't go back far enough to have my hair washed at the hairdressers, so, or to be like, you know, especially if you've got like hair colour on and all the rest of it, it would take far too long to do it. Right, last little bit coming out now. There we go. Put that on my chin. Right, there we go. So, I don't know, can you see it? It's all on there anyway. Oh, God, see. Oh. Anyway, I'll be back when it's dry. Right, I'm back and I've had it on for probably about, I think, maybe 25 minutes because it was dry in some patches, but others it was still a little bit wet, and it did say on the instructions to make sure it was completely dry. And in typical style, somebody knocks the door with a parcel delivery, don't they, when you're like this and you're kind of talking like that. Anyway, let's get it off and see what it's going to be like. I'm looking here because I've got a mirror here as well. Well, it's not one of the painful. Ooh, it's not one of the painful ones, so that's good. Oh, I love the sound. I love that sound. Oh God, look at the eyes. Oh, this is a nice one. That went on really easily, and what's more, it has most certainly come off really, really easily. A few bits there in my hair, let me get those out. There we are, it's all off. So I've still got a little bit there. But other than that, it is literally all off, look. I really enjoyed this one. I still prefer the Avon one, the gold one that is a peel off. Still much prefer that one, but this one is not a bad runner-up, I have to say, considering it was under £1. Yeah, it went on easily, came off easily. I think I will probably now just go and perhaps put a little bit of toner on, or some micellar water, and then a little bit of moisturiser, because it doesn't feel tight, it just feels a little bit dry, which probably means it has pulled a lot of the whatever off my skin. Yeah, not bad at all. If you have enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Bye.